Hello guys. Today I'm going to do a market review for Tesla, what I'm looking for next week, where to strike the puts, where to strike the calls, easy buys. I'm staying bullish on Tesla, but I'm bullish only after the 408 is hit. This is the 4-hour shots we're watching. We take the fib from this low to this high. This is the range we're working right now. This is what I'm interested with. I'm interested that the price hits between here, the 408 down until the 397 in here with a clear shush. A clear shush, I mean by it something like this. We open, we move down, a little bit of retracement. Let's say this is Monday, a little bit of retracement in the Monday range, going back down without taking this low, then an expansion. In the expansion, no need to strike the 450s plus, just strike the gap they did leave in here. This gap works fabulous as targets because we can do something like this and fractal it. Boom. And we use it as bias also. Like this. We expand here. If they go into strike back, your first target should be this range. Could be this high also. It's an easy target. But the 438 can be used as bias. If they push it hard and they lay down a body of candle above the 438, an easier target you can do a call in here even with a stop loss, let's say. If they go out from this zone target in the high. This is an easy setup for next week. But everything only starts after they expand under the 50% of the range with a clear short. If I do not see something like this in Tesla, I'm not interested.